Hi there everyone, thank you so very much for being a part of Trendy Style Forever, your favorite station or channel, yes, channel for anything hairstyle right now, and of course fashion. So right now you're watching latest hairstyle, braiding hairstyles 2021, beautiful braided hairstyles for black women. Yes, the concentration right here is for black women. I do really hope you're enjoying this video, and if you do and you're a first time viewer, go right ahead and click that subscribe button, and of course don't forget the notification bell so that you get updates anytime we upload new videos, which we try to do on a weekly basis, every day on a weekly basis. Yeah, so of course there's a link down below as well, for in case you're wondering how this channel is growing. There's a link down there, you can click it to be a part of the family as well. Yes, and you'll be supporting this channel. Is an affiliate link, and of course watch the video to the end, because that is what matters. You watching the video to the end will help this channel to grow. So I do really hope you watch the video to the end. Don't just click and then you say, oh wow, I love what I'm seeing, then you just go. Try and watch the video to the end. You're helping the channel grow. Help the channel grow, you help me grow, you help me continue bringing videos such as this one to you. I do really hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, watch the video to the end and look forward to the next video. Of course, if you're new, you can go and watch other videos on this channel. I believe you come across one or two things that you may actually like. So don't forget to share, like, and leave a comment for us so that we'll know what you're thinking. Till next video, you take care and keep it safe out there. Bye.